Hi everybody, welcome to another video here at THEBUGNUT.com. Today I want to talk about the rear quarter panel on the Volkswagen Beetle. Now on my project Super 71, everything was pretty rusty and spongy on the bottom, and I knew I was going to have to replace the rear quarter panel. So if you have a rough car, the chances are you will have to replace that area as well. Now I've already done the right side and I started working on the left side, and I figured, hey, I should explain what I'm doing because it might help some of you out there. So step one is to cut away any bad, thin, rusty metal in the repair area. So on Project Super 71, that's what I went and did. So this is the metal I cut away in that area on that quarter panel. This is the thin, rusty metal here, and this is the top edge. It gives me a nice clean line to do my measurements from. And again, this is the straight line that I cut inside the door jamb. Okay, so that was step one. Next, I went and bought a replacement panel. I got mine from CIP, and I bought the large one, and then I cut away the metal that I didn't need. And so the original panel was about this big, and this is what I ended up trimming off, so you can see that, okay? So this is now, I use this to help me with measuring, but I don't need this anymore. However, keep the metal. It's a good metal to work with if you need to repair something else, okay? Now, what I was left with was a smaller piece that perfectly fit my replacement patch, okay? The area I cut out that I have to replace, okay? So I put my own flange on the top, right? I'm gonna puddle weld the top. I'm gonna puddle weld the bottom. I did remove the bolt for the running boards. I already have that bolt in the heater channel, so I just cleared that out and that will be welded in. And I just trim everything on the replacement panel to fit the car. You don't want to replace any metal on the car you don't have to. So trim the panel to fit the car. Don't trim the car to fit the panel. That's probably the most important part here. If you screw this up, you can get another one. If you screw up your car or original metal, you can't get it back, it's gone. So that's pretty much what I have. It fits perfectly into the car and it's ready to weld in. I place everything with temporary rivets or clecos to hold it in place, and then I'll be able to go in and weld everything. So those are the steps you need to follow to get sorted out. Cut away the thin metal that you have, okay? Get your panel and then do your measurements and cut away the metal from the replacement panel, and then fit everything, trim it, and then you'll be ready to weld. Okay, we're here at the rear quarter panel on our Volkswagen Beetle. We're going to take our replacement panel that we've already measured and cut and fit, and we're going to put it in with some temporary rivets and get it ready for welding. All right, looking good.